The moment so many have anticipated is finally upon us. Pi Network is transitioning to its open mainnet phase. This is a monumental shift. It marks the end of the enclosed testing period. The firewall that once restricted interactions is coming down. The firewall crumbles, unlocking the network. This unlocks the full potential of the Pi blockchain, enabling connectivity with the broader digital world. This is not just a technical update. It fulfills a promise to millions of pioneers worldwide who patiently mined and supported the network's growth. Your Pi is on the verge of becoming a real asset on a live public blockchain. However, one critical step stands between your balance and its utility. That step is KYC, Know Your Customer. KYC safeguards integrity and security across the ecosystem. Without KYC, your Pi cannot migrate. The time to act is now. This transition to open mainnet is Pi Network's most significant milestone. The enclosed period allowed robust testing without external interference. Now the firewall is removed. Pi steps onto the world stage. It will operate as a fully independent blockchain. External developers can build applications, and other blockchains can connect. Your Pi enters a live, dynamic economic environment. Ask yourself, am I ready? Open mainnet requires your participation. Why the strong emphasis on KYC right now? From day one, Pi aimed to serve everyday people. One real person, one account, enforced by KYC. KYC stops bots and duplicate accounts. It supports evolving global compliance and anti-fraud standards. Trust and legitimacy attract partners and builders. Without robust KYC, Pi risks isolation from the financial system. A verified human network is more valuable and resilient. KYC is designed to be straightforward. Install or update Pi browser to access KYC. Open Pi app, go to the main menu, tap KYC. Select your country, then choose your ID type. Capture clear, well-lit photos. Full document, no glare. Complete a short liveness check with on-screen prompts. Review your info carefully and submit. Verification may take minutes to several weeks. Be patient. Once approved, you are ready to migrate. Use the Mainnet checklist to guide a secure transition. Create your Pi wallet in Pi browser. Write down your passphrase and store it offline securely. Lose it, and access is lost forever. No recovery. Optionally, set a lockup to boost future mining. Sign acknowledgement. Migrations run in batches automatically. After migration, a 14-day pending period applies. Migration turns Pi into a functional asset with real utility. Transact P2P, use dApps, and participate in a growing economy. Open networks attract scammers. Stay vigilant. Never share your wallet passphrase with anyone. Expect volatility. Focus on ecosystem utility over hype. Use official channels, strong passwords, and available security features. Research dApps. Avoid any app that asks for your passphrase. Complete KYC. Prepare migration. Welcome to the open mainnet. Your time is now.